big wave guy. You know what the fuck. 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 You know what the fuck.
Big Wave God made it. What's good to the channel, man? It's your boy Ted. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, man. We gotta talk about Tory Lanez found guilty on all charges, and I ain't gonna lie, man. I was laughing, you feel me? Because let's just keep it a buck, dog. The internet and the narratives that they be pushing are just ridiculous. And the way that these big time blogs and all these small time bloggers, you know what I'm saying, who putting these salacious headlines, making everything about Megan Thee Stallion's past and lying about smashing Tory Lanez. Y'all people talked about everything but him actually being innocent of the crime that he was convicted in a court of 12 jurors, convicted on all 3 counts. Now, this is vindication, to say the least, on the part of Megan Thee Stallion, you feel me? Because I know she's probably happy that that's over with, but the sad part is you can go on YouTube right now and still see bloggers just disgusting with it, just still making up all kind of theories, running with Rock Nation and Jay-Z. I'll tell y'all like this, man. Y'all put way too much time into conspiracy theories that is not real, that has no evidence. And I don't see how the narrative was that way when nobody on the jury felt that way. It's ridiculous. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never choose a side on the case, but I think Tory Lanez lost because of these same bloggers that's out here running with these crazy headlines and narratives, and y'all over here trying to persuade the internet for some reason, knowing damn well that nobody in the court of law is going to pay attention to what the public opinion of the internet is, you feel me? And yes, I'm from Houston, Texas, you know what I'm saying, the same place where Megan Thee Stallion from. So a lot of people could be like, man, you biased, you know what I'm saying, you from the same city as her. But let me tell you, I don't fucking know her, you feel me? I just seen the way that the narrative was being spread, and it was goddamn ridiculous, and that actually made me start rooting for Megan Thee Stallion. Now, I give it to y'all, Kelsey came in that mug and shook stuff up. It confused the whole story and all that. But the thing is, they want to listen to Kelsey's testimony and only pick out certain parts and justify that as a fact. For example, y'all want to say that, matter of fact, fuck Kelsey. Let's talk about the witness who's the neighbor who was in this house that seen it all go down. Y'all want to say that Tory didn't do it because the witness said that he saw a muzzle flash from Kelsey go off first, close to her body. All right. Well, if you want to pick out that little one thing out of his whole testimony and believe that, that means you also have to believe that after she fell to the ground, after the gunshots went off, they started fucking packing her out and jumping her. And you also have to believe that he really saw them about to throw her body in the fucking river. So that's what I'm saying. Y'all can't be selective picking the facts that you choose to believe only when it benefits your argument. Y'all can, if anything, y'all should throw out his whole testimony just like y'all was trying to throw out Kelsey's whole testimony. Y'all want to sit up here and listen to Kelsey on the stand plead the fifth about everything when she done already confessed everything to the prosecutors, and that shit wasn't even going to be used in court until the defense made something happen to where the judge allowed the prosecution to play the original recording, which, in my opinion, this is after all the dust has settled. This is when you have no reason to lie. Plus, you alone in the room with prosecutors, cops everywhere. You don't know who in that bitch. You gonna tell the truth. She gonna tell the truth. Just like them YSL niggas is getting in them rooms with them people, they gonna tell the truth. So how are we discounting her whole testimony where she admitted to exactly what went down? The same shit that Megan Thee Stallion was saying, you feel me? And then y'all painting out the victim. Y'all ain't understand that this wasn't Megan Thee Stallion against Tory Lanez. This was the state of California against Tory Lanez. And y'all want to believe everybody but the witness, but the victim. Now, fuck all the evidence. If I get shot today and I survive, who is the fucking first-hand source you're gonna go to ask what really happened? Me! You gonna freaking ask me what really happened because I'm the survivor, I'm the victim, I'm the one who got shot. So my word should be held to the highest regard. I don't give a fuck what I lied about. You know how much shit I lied about in my life? So y'all telling me if I went to court, y'all gonna go off of all the fucking lies and all the bitches that I fucked in my life? You know what I'm saying? And I got shot and I'm still here and I survived and I can tell my story, but y'all still want to throw salt on it. I just thought that was disgusting. And the whole time this shit was going on, I wasn't even saying nothing online about it, but I was thinking it in my head. And then what happens? NBC News drops an article on the exact thoughts that I was feeling about the narrative that these bloggers are spreading on YouTube and on the internet, period, which are based on little things that they want to pick out or their own personal perspectives and not talking about the facts of the case. I just feel like all you Tory Lanez fans, which in my opinion came out of fucking nowhere because, like, come on, Tory Lanez, nobody fucking jamming that new Tory Lanez. Let's just keep it a bean. And he be singing like his music. Now, I ain't gonna take away, he very talented and he can rap. You know what I'm saying? He can hold a melody. Can he necessarily sing? I don't know. But nobody be jamming that fucking Tory Lanez. So all his fans or everybody that was coming out supporting him was just basically fans of all these blog sites, fans of academics, fans of No Jumper, fans of Say Cheese. And No Jumper and Say Cheese had the fucking nerve to try to come out and post a fake verdict before the fucking court even posted it. Now, who does that? And that right there let me know that it was a freaking agenda to try to save Tory Lanez. And why in the first place are grown-ass men defending a fucking man who shot a woman, shot a female? Even if you fucked her and her friend, nigga, you got in your feelings when Meghan told you that your fucking music sucked and then you exposed the whole situation. That shit was weak as fuck. You wasn't player enough, like my nigga TK Kirkland said on Vlad TV. You was not player enough to be fucking two bitches and keep everything calm under wraps. Like Meghan obviously be fucking whoever she want, and she still more player than all these niggas, cause it be the niggas who coming out here pillow talking and shit. Now, if you couldn't handle that, Tory Lanez, then nigga, maybe you should have kept your fucking mouth shut. Maybe she wouldn't have clowned your fucking music career, which, you know, it's a good career, but at the time, nigga, you wasn't fucking with Megan Thee Stallion. Then you would never be in this situation. And for the fact that grown men are still on the internet after all this shit settled, posting about, still just posting lies, bro, and just posting lies about Rock Nation and Jay-Z, man, look, let me tell you one fucking thing. When you get in the courtroom with the motherfucking judges and lawyers and prosecutors, can't nobody come save you. Can't nobody persuade what's about to happen in that goddamn courtroom. And if anything, Tory should have won, because wasn't y'all the same ones who was saying that it was a goddamn juror in the elevator with Tory Lanez's lawyer or some shit like that? I don't know. Was it the lawyer or the prosecutor? I might be confused on that, but the way y'all motherfuckers made it seem on the internet like Tory just had this 0-3, 1-2. You know what I'm saying? He might just get hit with the possession charge. Nigga, the fuck out of here. That's what happens when y'all listen to motherfucking assholes on camera who don't sit up here and do nothing but give opinions like I do. But as you see, nigga, I don't sit up here and cover court cases until that shit is said and done. You feel me? Like, we gonna talk about the YSL shit. I'm gonna say, damn, I think Thug gonna probably get convicted, but that's off of the fact that like 10 motherfuckers is getting plea deals and getting probation and agreeing to testify. So that's facts. That's something you could say. Now, are y'all gonna all be making fucking videos trying to change the narrative of Young Thug's life and how he was really a motherfucking innocent victim and it's reasonable doubt y'all don't think he did all this gang related shit and sent these hits? Do that shit to Thug. But don't sit up here and protect a nigga who shot a female, bro, because he was in his feelings. And y'all motherfuckers acting like Tory Lanez wasn't coming with that aggressive energy his whole career. This nigga was still firing off on niggas over not getting his goddamn hand shook. So imagine what he gonna do if somebody tell him to his fucking face his music trash and he's super drunk like everybody is in the car, and it's pistols and shit. This little bitty ass nigga whipped out the motherfucking stick and got the fucking bussin'. Nobody talking about the 5-6 shots that was let off after that first initial shot. Y'all niggas sitting up here, somebody said he was shooting. Nah, nigga, he said he was shooting like this everywhere. Forward, nigga, not up in the air. So what the fuck is y'all talking about, man? Y'all let me know what's up with this, man. What y'all think in the comments. Y'all probably gonna disagree, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm spitting facts, bro. They tried to sway the narrative and persuade the internet that this nigga Tory Lanez was guilty of a heinous crime shooting a motherfucking female, bro. Shooting a female. Leave it in the comments, man. Big Wave God made it. Till next time, we out of here.
I got no problem, so much clothes, I need 2 closets. This weed I got is too exotic. I turned a diamond to a dime. They like, goddamn, you done blew it without me. They like, how the fuck did you do it without me? I'm the real deal, you a carbon copy. I just switched styles and I don't know a stylist. I'm a fucking god, big wave god, and I got a goddess. We gon' both blow like it's kamikaze. Bitch bow down like it's Ramadan.